So now we're going to create connection to store data in the Firebase, and we're going to use a connection handler variable to deal with this connection. So what we're going to do here is our Firebase package database, let's see, and .ref in here. So what we're going to say here is we're going to reference a particular database in Firebase, and the place we're going to reference in here we're going to call feedback. So if we have a look at our Firebase here, at the moment there's no area in here for storing the data, so I'm just saying to or the REPL here to Firebase, right, I want to create a location here known as feedback to hold that data, and I'm actually going to put it under backslash there, and I'm going to store all of this in a constant variable called my database connection. CXM for short, and store that. So I keep referencing that from now on. Okay, and so join me in the next video to create the function insert record.